Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Quite honestly, the defensive game plan that the Vikings had for whatever the Giants were hoping to do.
What are you doing? What are you?
Out to be really good.
Sure. What are you doing?
The defensive game plan for the Vikings with Sam Darnold.
What?
Turned out to be better than the Giants' game plan defensively to stop him.
Well, and here's the thing.
What are you doing? Right there. What are you doing?
Giants just couldn't stop the basic stuff. I don't think the
whether he liked it or not. And regardless of what sort of man John Carr was, his father for nothing. Sin left the graveyard.
You dumb! Get the out the road! Get the out the road! Get the out the road! Let's do something cool. Oh! What the? Are you serious? Are you serious? You dumb! You dumb! What the f are you doing? It's a great life, Mark. Watch where you're going.
Early on in this game, and we're in the middle of the latter part of the second quarter to me. At some point in time,
Dad, sell, said get rich. Would you like to reply?
Oh God, 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 what the f is you doing? Oh my God.
The Chris's wanted me to go Friday night. They had a Queen cover band going that night, but I'm like, the what Friday night?
In Lewiston?
Yeah, for Peach Fest, they had a Queen cover band Friday.
Which is a lot closer. You can go to Fort Belvoir. So, oh no, that's the Porsche dealership.
Jesus Christ! Oh my God.
Current loop video is now locked.
Yeah, that was a straight red light.
What the f?
Yep. Oh, not really. Operator. Use your lane, dumbass.
Dude, you dumb. Okay, Garmin.
Video is now
Oh
live.
my God. Oh.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.